Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today you might be noticing, why am I playing on a PC? Cause I'm in my aunt. Yeah, I'm in my aunt's laptop and yes, my computer broke down and yes, this is my first time actually doing Roblox vids. So you might be noticing, why is there a fan? Because I'm at Quezon City and it's hot. But don't worry, we're gonna play randomly blade ball. Unless we get 100k on my coins. I'm playing Blade Ball, brothers. Yes, I have Robux. I think it's just one Robux left. No, that's it. Okay, we're gonna have a Roblox session. We're gonna have a Roblox session. And you might be noticing, why am I using a controller? It's not an actual controller. I'm actually using, wait. Well, let me just meow 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 meow. And we're gonna play a random game. I'm actually bored. We're playing it. Yes, I'm playing it. Yes, we'll be playing random games on Roblox. Stay tuned because I'm gonna nuke your house. JK, please don't believe that. And by the way, while you're at it, smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. Yeah. And yes, you might be wondering, you heard my voice. Which is true. Go on here. Yes, yes.
Ha? Lumabas na mama mo, Tat?
Yes.
Ha?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes. And yes, I'm playing a random game. I don't know what is this, but let's give it a shot. Let's give it a shot. What? I actually like this. Whoa.
Okay mo yun, pre.
I'm gonna buy something. Hi guys, I'm Osama Bin Laden. Yes. I'm Osama Bin Laden, my boy. Osama. Osama, now let me plant some bombs. Wait, I'm gonna plant a bomb. I'm gonna plant a bomb. This kind of be racist.
Kala ko natulog ka na.
And yes, for today's vlog, I'm actually gonna chat. Oh, there's only 2 people. How sad. That's actually. Nah, I'm not leaving, bro. I'm not leaving, dude. Yes, my keyboard's broken. Okay. Okay, we found them. Okay, now let's let me do. Wait. Let me just open my backup one. I will share a spare remote. Now they're gonna meet me at spawn. Sub to my channel. Yes, we're finding you. We're actually finding. We're actually finding some fans, cause how should I say this? Yeah, I'm actually falling. My channel is falling, and I'm not letting it fall. Now, go what? Feliz Navidad. Yeah, by the way, sub to my channel. Sub. Sub now. Sub now. And for today, what? Yes, I'm actually famous. How do I even use this? What? Nah! Nah! Nah, bro, nah! That's like you should do, guys! Like you guys, subscribe now! Damn, the one... Okay, so we're gonna play now. This is actually crazy. This is actually crazy. Oh my god, people are actually starting to come. OMG. Patay fan. Patay fan. Okay, guys. Okay, now we're gonna play. Don't mind, wait. Let me just turn off chat. I'm gonna buy some planes I'm gonna ride some planes into a couple buildings in Manhattan. I'm Osama. I'm Grand talaga, Obama. I'm not supposed to say this. I'm not getting banned in YouTube. Yes, I'm not trying to get banned. I'm just trying to be friendly. Whoa. Okay, now we just carry a dynamite. Literally, a dynamite. I literally need to carry a dynamite. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, boys. Like and sub. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we're gonna plant a bomb. Yes. Init. Arte mo, huy, naka-live ako. Arte mo naman. Yes, this is an 11-minute video. But here is all you've been waiting for. The Usama Lin. I'm gonna buy some planes. Ito ang couple buildings in Manhattan. I'm Osama. Run, tell Obama. I'm your freaker uncle. I'm not allowed to swear. I'm not revealing my age until I reach like 100. Okay, now we're gonna plant a bomb. Oh crap. Run! It's a bomb! Planting bombs! Planting bombs! Hey worker! Bye! Get back to work, people! Did you know in the Roblox layer there's actually a secret? But okay, we're gonna play a random game. We're gonna play a random game. We're actually gonna play a random game. We're actually gonna play a random game. What is this? Is this a sad game? Is this a sad game?
Saan si Mami yan?
Umalis na.
Umalis na. Ay, lamig na.
Okay guys, after a short break, because I actually needed to pee, so we're back. We're playing. Is this a sad game or a good game? We don't even know yet. We actually still don't know yet. Oh my god. Alright. Oh. Oh man, what is this? Okay, chat, what is this? Chat, what is this? Chat, is this? What? What is this? What is this? Oh my god! What is this? What is this? Jay, what up? Chat, what's wrong? Chat, what's up? Chat, what's up? Chat, what's up? Yo, chat. Chat, what? Okay, this gotta be an actual joke. What is this? What is this? Is this an actual game? Okay, I don't know what to do now. Okay, what is this?
Kanya-kanyang
What
pwesto.
is this? What is this? What is this?
Saan mami kuya? Malis na? Buwi na? Buwi na pala eh.
Umuwi.
Nasaan ba? Kumae? Mami mo nga yung utot mo.
Ano? Oo nga.
Tama ka ata si mami mo ata. Tingin ko tama si Arya.
Okay. Okay. What is this? Mama? What is this? Darling. Nawala ka agad eh.
Ikaw pala yung mutot eh. Ikaw.
Layo-layo po.
Okay.
Meron tatlo dito pero
Okay.
ngamoy namin.
Okay. 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 What is this?
Maklay buto dito.
Hi. Let me hug you. Let me hug you. Aw, man. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.